Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to turn off vibration on iPhone. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, open up settings and then go to sounds and optics. That's where we can configure our vibration and settings. To do that, first stop, we can scroll down to the very bottom, and the first thing that I recommend you to turn off is the option which is called system haptics. Once it is turned off, it will disable option 4, system control and interactions. After that, we can configure optics or vibration in ring mode and in silent mode. Then we can go to keyboard feedback and we can turn off haptic for our keyboard, just like that. Then we can go through that list and then we can customize vibration for the option. Let's say I want to turn it off the ringtone, so I can open up ringtone, then go to vibration and then I can switch it to 1. That's some about text on voicemail and all other options. That's how you can easily turn off vibration in iPhone. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.